Gotigana roboti rumoncho mulikire bono togendere kumurikiraria bereka okorekana inyoro bono buna botambe stariki 15 ne mo mutinyo gatana limo kiro mwaka ndizo kuriyo gochengerana ko inyoro omwana omwafrika omoyigo ini gokorekana chinsemo imeye county ya Nyamira omoyigo yuboigo ni go bakokorekana yokorekana se skuru yo boroso ya tombe ase bunge ya tutuma sa omoyigo ini gora wana bwatani gati ya bono mokonyo mo county commissioner ko se county ya Nyamira medamo enga abwasa Rwanyaragose miwako ene kibuna ngokwana bana babo nako balenda kurwa chinchira cyogo tumeka emitandao omurikito kurwase county Nyamira Jobuma angi na roboti rwase nchira yobuime Botumeki bwa teknolojia ya kerero weyire okoroba kubugima kulende nonyanigo nebwate amabe aye.
There are people who are taking advantage of children, exposing them to content that they should not be accessing, or using children's digital maybe pictures and photos and videos in a way that it should not be done so.
Ekero ensengima yachengira lituko linene lyomwana kurwa chinse cha Afrika ime county Nyamira nigo bachengera asisukuru yoboroso ya tombe egotoka ebunga ya Kisii masaba county ya Nyamira. Ekerenga ekenanaki omwakoyo nobwene bw'omwana kurwa Africa asense ebwate teknolojia yekerero the rights of the African child in the digital environment.
Child ambayo timu ni the right of the child in the digital environment, na leo tunasherehekea milestones ambazo organizations na mashirika mengine wamefanya ili kuweza kuelimisha watoto na pia kuwapatia haki zao.
Kubwate kana nobo tukibwa koretwe niga abana bagutumeka teknolojia yekerero warekanire gutwara obumanyi bw'igoro astisemi.
Significantly, children who have access to digital literacy are twice as more improving the education access than children who do not have access to digital devices or digital literacy.
Kukua kwamba kama hauko conversant kidijitali unabaki nyuma. Mtoto ambaye haja connect ama hajakuwa exposed to digital platforms anakuwa less informed than the others.
Kolende nonyanigo obotumeki obobwe teknolojia nigo bobwate amabe amange gochia sabana.
Na pia kuhakikisha kwamba watoto hawana exposure mingi to the digital environment because pia kuna madhara na kuna so many content na issues ambazo zinaendelea katika the digital environment ambayo pia watoto sio rika ya watoto ambayo wanastahili kuona ama kupata kutoka kwa content.
Omokonyi mu county commissioner sub county ya Manga Meda Maonga nasaba bayibuli naborokia koba maiso na kulinda abana ekero bagotumeka teknolojia.
Lakini tunatoa caution, tunatoa tahadhari kwamba usimwachilie mtoto tu aingie katika digitali akijiongoza mwenyewe. Lazima kukuwe na mtu ambaye anamuelekeza katika platform hiyo. Na mimi nataka kutoa wito kwa mshikadau mmoja wa watoto, wazazi tujue unampa mtoto simu anaona nini, anaongea na nani katika simu hiyo. Kwa sababu ukimpa tu na kumwacha pale kuna TikTok na kuna a lot of adult content na pia kuna wale cyber criminals ambao wanaweza kushikana naye na unapata mtoto ameongozwa katika mambo mabaya.
Esegeto boigo yaruegwa gochia sabanto bonsi gocha amo elinde kolenda obwene bw'abana ekero bagotumeka teknolojia.
Is going to collaborate with the Department of Children's Services, the county government of Nyamira, and all the agencies dealing with the children so that we scale up initiatives on children issues.
We urge various stakeholders to enhance the current policies so that they protect children in all sectors. But digital literacy as it is and digital devices as they are the right thing, and it's the right thing we should give to children.
Ginko reporteri ya Ndizi TV kurwase county Nyamira Job Maangi.